Have you ever felt like your whole face is aching? It may be sinusitis. Do you know what sinusitis is? It's when your sinuses, located close to your nose and eyes, are inflamed. This inflammation causes facial pain, nasal obstruction, coughing, ear pain, and aching in your jaw. It can be caused by allergies or colds, but many times sinusitis can also be chronic, and in this case, the only way to alleviate the symptoms is through medicines. In cases where it's necessary to use antibiotics, your doctor will prescribe the most adequate for you. Check these alternatives to alleviate the symptoms of sinusitis at home. Eucalyptus. We already learned that eucalyptus helps with expectoration and can be a good option to clean the paranasal sinuses. Just mix some water, salt, and a little bit of eucalyptus in a pan. Bring it to a boil and inhale the steam. Breathing will get much easier. Nasal irrigation. Cleaning your sinuses with warm water and salt can help a lot. This mixture will open and hydrate your nasal mucous membrane. Once the area is clean, it will also hurt less. Chamomile tea. It's a good option to treat sinusitis in a natural way. As we have already seen on the channel, chamomile has anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, analgesic, and healing properties. It's great to help with nasal congestion and throat inflammation. Magnesium chloride. A solution made of water and magnesium chloride can be very helpful. Dissolve 30 grams of magnesium chloride in 1.5 liters of water and apply using a nasal spray. You can use the empty bottle of other nasal sprays you have around. Green juice. A juice made only of spinach has anti-inflammatory and decongestant properties, which help eliminate secretions. Drinking it regularly during sinusitis crises can help lessen the symptoms. Did you know that sinusitis is more common during the cold seasons and during climatic changes? Now that you know some homemade medicines to treat your sinusitis, remember to rest, avoid allergens such as dirt, pollen, animal hair, cigarettes, and pollution, all of which can worsen your symptoms. Ingest liquids to help hydrate the mucous membranes and facilitate mucus elimination. Also avoid using products with strong smell and perfumes. These simple steps can help you during the treatment. If you tried any of these methods and it didn't work, talk to a doctor.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.